Killer husband realizes his kids saw everything. This one is 32 minutes, so I'm going to skip.
Alright, so what's going on?
I was outside playing my game.
Okay.
I heard a gunshot.
Okay.
That's my wife in there.
Okay. The kids haven't seen anything yet.
Okay. They told me to keep them outside.
Yeah, keep them outside.
She's the only one who was in there. She was asleep.
Well, she's a little bit. Alright.
Wow, so we already know what's going on here. Holy crap. And I think he's hoping holding the baby's going to make it seem a little bit better, but...
Has she ever said anything like that? Has she had problems before? Okay.
I had to go in my safety box. I guess she found the password out and took it out.
Okay. Is she the mom to everybody?
Yeah.
Okay.
I turned her head over to check for her purse. It looked like it went in right here behind the temple.
Okay.
It came out right here.
What color was it?
It's a Ruger 9mm.
Okay. About how long?
Bro, don't you know they're going to find out if that was possible for it to be her that did it? I mean, there's no way you get a good enough shot from far away or anything like that.
Long
As soon
ago.
as I called.
Well, what time was that? You know? That's all right. That's all right.
I went to panic mode.
And all these are hers?
Yeah.
And yours? Okay.
Bro, and they find out from the kids, I assume? That's craziness. There's no, like, peaks or anything in this one, so...
Nobody else has been here? All right. Is that from you?
Oh, that's tight.
Okay.
Where's that? Go stay right here. She's in that bedroom back there.
What's to the right?
That's a spit. Why is that turned up so loud?
She was laying down. I pulled it off.
Okay.
And you covered her up, bro? That's so sketchy. I mean, you have well, maybe it's not. Definitely
I see it. Okay. EMS is on the way. And she's got a history.
Well, we got.
Get the baby out of there. What the hell? I mean, you're not going to remember that exactly, but you should not be looking at that.
I can't.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Me and her got into it the other day. Her mama knows everything else. We all got into it. But she's been making threats all the time. That's why I keep the guns up in the safety box. We got into it this morning because, I'll be honest, I don't know what she's about all to. My gun's in.
He just said he keeps the gun in his safety box because of his wife. Bro, that doesn't even make any sense. Because she's making threats to you, so you bought a gun and a safe and put it. That's a crazy story. There's no way.
I didn't know she was on. Do it.
Right. We turn the TV down?
Yeah.
Sorry, I think that's my computer getting too hot. Hold up. We good? I think we're good. That was my computer getting too hot.
Sorry for that.
That's all. You're all right.
I was on move the gun, but I decided not.
Yeah, exactly. Don't.
Okay.
Yeah, you did good.
We'll stay right there, okay?
Pretty obvious. And the door's closed. How you doing? Well, are you related?
Grandpa.
To his dad or her?
Lexi.
Lexi? Okay.
Oh, that's his dad. That's her dad right there. Oh my God. He doesn't even seem like he knows yet.
Well, she's taking her own life, it looks like. She been diagnosed with anything that you know of?
Her mom will be here in a minute. She'll be the one that will have to tell you all that. I'm not really her dad.
Okay, I understand.
Well, baby, let me get you some. She's on her way. She's coming from Bowling Green now.
Okay.
Hospital.
Proud. He even got to them first. That's so crazy. He would probably get away with this in some, if he ran it 100 times. You know, certain times he would probably get away with it, like a low percentage chance. But that's crazy. He got to them first.
Brother.
They'd already started.
Yeah. Y'all just sit right there, please. Okay? Be really good and sit right there for Daddy and me, okay?
But the only thing I taste is the covert. That's what I told you.
Okay.
I'm not going to call you right now. I'll wait when her get here.
Yeah, that's probably best. Especially if she's driving. Yeah.
She's already had 3 heart attacks. So.
Alright.
I can't believe all those children were living in there.
I know. That's going to be the next thing.
Yeah, That is awful. Like those conditions look so terrible. And for that many kids, there's like three kids, I think, and then both of them. Come on.
There's an air conditioner in the window right by her head, but I think she's a little extra cold.
Think so?
Yeah.
Well, he said he heard, and I don't know what the timeline is yet.
She's done like death light. So that was kind of odd too. Her color just looked like she'd been gone a while. And then when I touched her, and she was pretty cool.
Oh, you know how many dead people this lady has probably seen? That's so shocking. But I'd take her word for it. I mean, what the? You don't make this shit up.
Right. When they give it at 4:02,
So it's been what?
that's only 22 minutes.
Yeah. And I mean, she's cold.
When he talked
I
to
moved
me,
nothing. I literally
Right.
touched her neck.
well, I'm getting her to ask if she's left-handed because the gun's on the left side of it.
Yeah. I ain't no
So it's
corner,
only
but I'd say she's
20-something
been down
minutes.
for 120 minutes.
All right. She left her right-handed, you know. Right-handed.
Yeah, I feel like, especially with the kids, that would be like an immediate thing. You should still be like bleeding, probably. You know, just the time they took to get to you should be how cold they are.
I think I'm the only one bacteria around here. I can't believe she did this.
And how long
Bro, you're getting mad at that moment? I don't know.
before you called as soon as you heard the?
I was outside playing. So I'm not trying to stutter.
Right, you're right.
I was outside playing with them three. She was in the crib asleep. She was awake. And I heard a gunshot. I thought it was a fire, but I know she knows the password to the safe, so I run up here and check. And
So you checked right when you heard it?
Yeah.
Okay. And then,
Bro, earlier she said she must have got the combination to the safe, and now he's saying she knows the safe. So
as soon as
then you
I
called right after
I
that?
called her mama first, and I called y'all.
Okay.
Because I didn't know what to do.
Right. I understand.
She was in there screaming and crying. I wish she smoked. You sick bitch.
Well, I might be able to help you out. I don't smoke, but I carry them.
your wife just died, and then you're like, oh, I wish she smoked so I could take a cigarette from her? That's a weird ass thing to say, man. That is so weird. I want to hear what she's got to say.
Well, the stepdad didn't think so. He thought he was only
The kids don't even know yet. That's going to be a whole process. That's so incredibly sad.
left-handed one out of the bunch. Since he's left-handed, he would probably know.
I didn't know there was a trailer out here that anybody lived in. UPS took me to the barn down here on the corner.
Oh, that's probably about right.
They ain't from here though, I don't think. I know he ain't, because he had a 600 social
Well, he
security
wasn't
number.
born here, but he's got a Kentucky driver's license.
Does he? 'Cause I don't know.
I don't know him.
And my boyfriend's their age, so I don't.
I ain't never seen her either.
Bro, I would hate to live in a small town where everybody literally knows who you are. That would be so. There'd be good things about that, but I feel like a lot of bad things too. It'd be like kind of like high school.
Hold up right here by Jimmy Rambo's old house. So it's what we got.
That's out.
All
The
right.
guy.
I thought that on my way here.
And two, me and Billy discussed something like that. And two, I could never imagine my life being bad enough for me to kill myself with my baby laying in the crib right beside me.
Yeah, now I ain't gonna
That-
say that, but
I
because a
couldn't
lot
imagine.
of
Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, anybody who would make that decision with all the stuff that you're responsible for around you and you just don't even give a shit, I feel like it's just unlikely. It's possible, but she's just saying it's unlikely, which she's not perceiving.
What's up, Bradley?
What we got going on here?
Yeah, his probably just reads low.
You see, I didn't realize our touch dropped that fast.
Get that thing blowing on too, but and you're looking at 40, almost about 50 minutes now,
Air
probably.
conditioner.
Yeah.
But she had cover on, right?
Yes, she
Well,
did, but
he
pulled
said
it off.
when he come in here after he heard it, he pulled the cover off.
Bro, there would be no way to determine that for sure. There's no way, like you're just going off of like assuming from information that you're assuming from. It's not going to work.
Temple. Are they gonna come stay with you all? No. Okay.
Is there anybody that can bring them out some clothes and stuff?
Here, it'll be a little while.
How bad is she?
Oh, I don't know that.
Can you find out?
Well, I mean, she shot herself. I can tell you that. But I mean,
I don't understand.
and she's had problems before. She has.
Bipolar.
Okay.
But a
Dude,
mother's
that's so sad. He's like, he knows that, the husband, and he's just like trying to use that to get away with it. What a disgusting person.
Oh, who'd get
Rachel.
Is she on call?
She said she
Yeah,
wasn't, but
find
she'd
it
get her.
from the
It's gonna be this way.
Okay. Evidently, she's run off 2 or 3 times and been on meth and got all kinds of mental problems and a pretty good little history.
baby.
I've been talking to Mama. Evidently, she's been so bad not taking her meds and shit. They came and got the husband and the 4 kids and got them out of here to get them away from her. Really? Yeah, that was the other day. What about it, man?
Wow. I mean, maybe she was problematic, but that's certainly no reason to actually take her out. I mean, that's incredible. Oh my God.
Another day. Yeah.
With the RO trailer, he kept on coming up there and trying to kidnap her a couple times. I think he's back in jail. We got into it the other day. So I just took the other 3 outside and played ball with them.
Did she mean to the kids?
No, she didn't mean it because she yelled at them.
Did she ever hit you or anything?
Like once or twice. When she gets mad on her back, when she likes throwing stuff and everything else. And the tennis center broke because she had one of her moves.
Y'all's fights got pretty violent sometimes?
No. Usually when I get back with this off, I usually go outside and like punch a tree or something.
Where was the gun at in the house?
In the safety box. It was locked, but I guess she figured the password because I always use
Password protected.
Yeah, I always use birthday. The kid's birthday or my birthday, and I guess she figured
Bro, if they're gonna get him, this is what they're gonna get him on. I feel like he's gonna slip up here.
it out.
Has she ever got in there before?
Yeah.
And she knew probably the gun was in there, right?
Yeah. She asked me to get rid of all the guns because she said she was having stuff out.
So the gun was loaded in the box.
Yeah.
Did you buy it?
Yeah, I bought it.
When did you buy it?
As soon as the taxes came in, 4 months now.
Have you ever shot it?
Yeah.
Has she ever shot it?
Yeah.
Does she know how to operate firearms?
She does, but she don't. Because I always keep them cocked because she never really liked doing it.
I mean, I know it was locked up, but why'd you leave it left there in the room to shoot at?
Because I usually keep it in a gun because we got coyotes come up there around the trailer.
Because you removed all the other guns, right?
Yeah, I moved all of them. I brought that one back.
How long has it been there?
A week or 2 ago.
You go in the room, what's the first thing you do?
I pulled her cover back, tried to save her. I checked her pulse and stuff, and she wasn't responsive.
I don't know. I feel like the timeline of him having that gun, removing all the guns because she said that, and then him bringing one back a week before. That's super sketchy.
That's the only thing you did.
And pulled her cover back.
You didn't move her off?
And I grabbed her hand.
You grabbed her hand?
I grabbed her hand.
Both of them or just one of them?
Both. I think both of them.
Why'd you grab her hands for?
Because when I went in there and tried to save her, she was like jerking and stuff, and I tried to help her because I was panicking.
Doing this, right?
Yeah, she's laying on the bed and
like this?
Yeah, I tensing up.
What'd you do when you grabbed her arms?
I pulled them and tried to hold her hand and try to help her, but it wasn't nowhere to do.
Did you like land a full of blood or anything?
I had blood on my hands, but I washed them off because I got my.
Did you like lay in the puddle of blood? What the fuck? What kind of a question was that? Bro, is that what he said?
Hand and try to help her, but it wasn't nowhere to do.
Did you like land a full of blood or anything?
Did you like lay in a puddle of blood or any? What the fuck, bro? Where are you taking this?
Investigators leave the room for just over 10 minutes before returning and dropping a bomb on Orby's story.
You know, my job as an interviewer, sometimes I have to ask hard questions, okay? Man up and tell me the truth, okay? So I'm going to be blunt about it, okay? Did you kill your wife? You didn't shoot your wife?
Yeah, I never did.
Because I've got 2 other people telling me different. Are your kids liars?
No.
Your kids are not liars?
No.
Because you're calling them liars.
Why am I calling liar?
Because your kids told me Daddy did this.
I didn't do it though. I was out.
Oh my god. And kids just don't be lying. They just don't make up stories like that early.
I was a kid.
Well, why would they say that?
I don't know.
Why would your kids say Daddy shot Mommy?
No, but I didn't do it.
It's worth noting it's unknown if the interrogator was actually told this information by the children, or if he is feigning in order to compel Orby into a confession.
Oh, you're bluffing about this? I don't know if it's the best move as a bluff. I feel like you're not really...
There's bad people in the world, okay? But, you know, 99.9% of people are good people. I think you're a good person. You've got...
No, bro, no. 99.9% of people are good people. That's just flat out wrong. Now it just feels like you're lying. This guy sucks. This guy's terrible.
Take care of all these kids. Your wife lays in bed, doing drugs, talking to other men. What man wouldn't say, I've had enough of this shit? Doesn't mean you're a bad person. You just got tired of it. Worthless. What has she done? For you? For the kids? Nothing.
I want to go home. You said I can leave.
You got blood on your shoes, man.
Huh?
You got blood on your shoes right there. How'd they get there?
I don't know.
The blood on your shorts. She's saying daddy killed mommy. And that's not, that's...
Oh, you're fishing. Like, you don't even have a plan here, it feels like. I mean, how are you going to get him?
Just tell us what happened.
We got into it. I couldn't take no more of it. She was still talking to another dude. Grabbed me on a safety box.
Oh, shit.
And put it to her head and pulled it.
He's like, bro, I just got it.
Was she asleep? So what'd you do with the gun after you shot your wife?
Took it beside her.
Did you call her mom like you said you did? Or did they lie?
I called her mom.
Would you do lie to her and say she shot herself?
No, I was trying to take care of my kids.
Are you bearing the burden of taking care of everything, doing everything?
Bro, she's going to have her 4th heart attack because of this. Holy shit, man. That's why what are you putting her through, dude? Fuck.
I'm going with you. I did it.
Oh, shit.
I couldn't take it anymore.
Bro, how did you not get the kid? I mean, honestly, like, I'm not trying to advocate for, but how are you not going to get the kids out the room? They saw that shit. They're going to be ruined as normal adults now because of that. And then the little baby was looking at the dead mom's body for like 5 minutes, bro. I don't know. Holy shit, man. This is crazy. This is really bad.
I got ready to pay the first almost.
Dude, she's gonna fucking flip. You killed her daughter, bro. Yeah, she's gonna fucking flip. You say that like it's like a chill thing.
In that house. Just get everything you can of mine, please. The Xbox, everything. The Xbox.
Oh, bro, you gotta save the Xbox. Holy shit. You gotta save the Xbox, man.
Controllers over the sink in the cabinet. Grab my TV and my soundbar and the remote control of the TV and everything.
Does he think he's just gonna like game in prison? What the fuck?
Hey. I'm
I gotta go.
You're already being placed under arrest for murder, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Hang on, okay?
Charges.
Are you okay?
Class D felony. However, not long after these charges, Orby faced an additional slew of charges for 2 counts of incest on a victim under the age of 12, 2 counts of use of a minor under the age of 16 in a sexual performance, and 2 counts of possessing matter portraying a sexual performance by a minor under the age of 12.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, those kids. Holy shit.
For privacy reasons, we are not disclosing further details related.
Oh my god, gross. Ew. What the fuck? What a weird piece of shit. Bro, that Xbox statement really showed. And then, bro, just end it. Just delete him. I mean, what purpose is he served? Holy fuck. Bro, craziest video, I don't know, this week, this month? Holy shit. Wow, I'm gonna need a minute from that one. Let's take 5.